Hello there everyone, this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And today we're going to talk about how to practice algorithms for computer science students. And before we get started with today's topic, for those who are new to my channel, here we talk about all things coding, and I help people who are learning how to code and computer science students achieve success. So let's get started with today's topic. So first is, why should we talk about this? Why should we invest time in talking about how to practice algorithms and as computer science students? So the number one reason that I can give you guys is that through the years I've seen that coding interview questions, there are most of them, not all of them, but but I will say the vast majority, they're based in algorithms. So if you're going to land a job in the future, this is a very good reason why to practice algorithms, because you're going to be asked, all depends on the position, but in my experience, the coding interviews have algorithms in there as a component. So practicing for these type of interviews by doing lots of algorithms will help you land that job. So that's number one. And number two is that practicing solving algorithms will help you improve as a problem solver, which that's what we are as developers. We solve people's problems by writing pieces of software or just code that just solves a particular problem that a client or customer could have. So just by training your brain to write down problems, break them down, write a solution in code, and just do that process over and over again, it will help you become a better problem solver and a developer, in my opinion, of course. So today I'm going to give you guys 3 tips that have helped me in the past to practice for algorithms, and also a lot of people that have shared this as well. And number 1 is start small. So what do I mean by start small? So what I would do is, this is what I did in the past, go on places like HackerRank. By the way, I'm not sponsored by them, I just like the platform, and create an account and start small by doing the easiest exercises first, right? So why do I say this? Because that's what happened to me. Like this is where I did wrong. That at first I started doing hard exercises and I got overwhelmed and frustrated, because sometimes what I've seen through the years, the hardest part of solving algorithms is to really understand the problem. So I started doing harder and harder exercises and I just got really frustrated. So what I did was I stopped solving algorithms, I stopped practicing how to solve them on the platform, and left it away for a certain amount of time, which is not good. So my advice, and also I've seen students do this through the past, that they lose motivation to solve algorithms. So what I recommend is start doing the easier exercises first, right? And then start gradually, right, doing harder exercises. But start with the simplest ones first. And what this is going to do, if this is just like going to the gym, and this is just like developing any skill or maybe playing an instrument, is that you start with the easier ones first. You'll gain confidence as you keep doing more and more of these problems, and then you'll start getting the confidence to say, okay, so let's step it up a notch. So going back to the example of going to the gym, right? If you guys start lifting weights, you're not going to go and put 100 pounds on each side, right? If you're going to bench press, and the bar is going to fall right in front of your face, and you're gonna say, "Oh no, this is too hard. I'm not going to the gym." So this is the same idea I want to convey with you guys today. Convey to you guys is that go small and then start building up. So also another thing that I would say related to as you start doing the smaller exercises is that start writing the exercises on paper. And by starting doing the easier ones and writing on paper the different test cases that that the algorithm will need to solve, you know, the inputs and the outputs, and how it will have to behave. So by doing this process, even with the easier ones, right? Just writing the piece of paper, the test cases, and then doing the code, it will develop a workflow for you guys. Then when you start doing the harder ones, it's going to be even more natural to you. So write them in a piece of paper. So tip number 2 is practice consistently. See if I can speak today. But what I've seen through the years is that, like I've said a couple times already in the video, that algorithms is just like any other type of skill that you have to practice to get better at it, right? So this happened to me when I was a student, is that I did a lot of algorithms for some point, but then it passed a lot of time and I basically got really rusty. So my advice is practice consistently, and with this, try to set goals for yourself. Something that really helped me when I was practicing a lot is that I would say, okay, I'm gonna do 5 exercises a week, for example, and as I would do it, I will get even better and better. I'll even get more confidence and even motivation, because I would then start saying, okay, I'm going to do 6, then I'm going to do 7. So by doing it consistently, I got better at solving problems, and I would remember more tools and data structures even faster by just using them a lot. So practice consistently. So yeah, so let's go to the third tip, is get friends involved. And this one helped me a lot. So what you could do is to make this process fun, is to do some friendly competition with your friends, right? You can both get a buddy, right? And you can both do an account on the platform. It doesn't have to be HackerRank, it could be any platform, right? And what you can guys do is meet up and start solving together, or you can just solve it um uh each on its own time, right? And just like talk to your friend, ask them, how did you solve this problem? And that helps a lot, because there's going to be times that you're going to be able to explain how you solved the problem, and just going through the process of explaining your thoughts to someone on how you solve a particular algorithm problem, it will help you as a developer so much, because just going through communicating those ideas is going to make you even better. So, and this is a skill that has helped me a lot, just communicating how I solved a particular problem. So yeah, get friends involved. By this way, you'll get even more motivated, because HackerRank has this little point system, and you can build up a reputation. So, you know, you can just do a friendly competition with a buddy and say, oh, I got 100 points, or just say like, first one to, you can make a friendly bet or something. You know, you can just to give you like a little idea. What I want to tell you is to use the social component to get friends involved, and by this way you get motivated to do even more. At least that's what helped me. So Everyone's different, but this is just a suggestion. So yeah, guys. So there you have it. 3 tips to help you practice for algorithms as computer science students. And if you like this video, just click on the like button, the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. And click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get the notifications directly to your phone or your computer. And you can benefit from this content that I'm going to keep uploading regularly for you guys. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.